Hey guys, it's me, Jen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, how are you doing? Welcome. Today's video, I'm doing a tutorial, which I've been kind of avoiding since I don't want anybody to think that I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm just doing basically what I do. I'm doing a tutorial on this look right here, just this eye look. So if you're interested, continue watching. So I go in with this salmon kind of color and I put it on my crease. And then I just blend it out. I'm really not good at these voiceover things, so I apologize. Then I go in with this pink color and I also put it on my crease to give my crease kind of a shadow look. Then I go in with this purple and also put it on my crease because shadowing effects, yeah. And then I kind of bring it in at the corner of my eye so I can create the faded look. Then I start using my concealer to create the cut crease. Then I go in with a light pink shade so I can create the cut crease look. And then I use an angled brush and dip it in that dark purple to kind of clean up my cut crease. And then I start blending it all in together to create the faded kind of look. And then I use my primer to spray my brushes so the glitter kind of sticks on there more. And then it sticks onto my eye and stays there for a long time. So I'm using my NYX eyeliner right now and I'm creating just a wing, just my everyday wing. Then I'm just cleaning it up with some concealer. And now I'm using the same pink shade under my eye, bringing in that dark purple under my eye as well. I'm also using my angle brush with the dark purple to kind of line my eye. And now I'm just putting on some mascara. And now I'm using my favorite Too Faced highlighter in the corner of my eye and on my brow bone. And I'm putting on my eyelashes. And that is the look. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you!